kites in the sky. So left hand, we're gonna skip all the way up, and then you need to cross your hand to space. So you have to count F-A or F-A-C-E. When you release your kite, make sure you do it one by one, and it's like you release your kite one by one, bit by bit. And this song requires pedal and hold all the way through before the freeing the kites. Ready, set, go. C, skip, C, skip, cross to A, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, C, skip, skip, skip to C and E, 2, 3, come back down. C, skipping, to A, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, C, skipping, G, skip down. 2, 3, left hand. Now release everything, and then do one by one. Stay close to each other. Use all your 5 fingers, and then keep it really steady all the way up to the top of the keys. Keep going until you reach high C. Higher and higher the kites fly. So